Hello everyone, welcome back, and I'm Manish, your host. Today we would unravel some of the financial jargons which can be a little overwhelming for investors. If you really would like to understand equity, you consider a pizza, and a slice of pizza is what you own. Similarly, if you consider a company like a pizza, it's a slice, the small slice which you have. It's like you become an owner of the company. So if the company does well, you do well, and the share prices go up. Looking at wealth creation as a long-term objective, the leveraging compounding. So in the long run, the wealth will grow. Equity market gives a very decent return in the long run. So what is bonds? Now, bonds are issuance of a company or government where they lend money, or rather they borrow money from the public. तो हम bonds खरीदते हैं, and when we buy bonds, we get interest. इनको फिक्स्ड इनकम प्रोडक्ट्स भी बोला जाता है, और इसमें आपका फिक्स्ड रिटर्न आता है 8 से 10% की रेंज में. इट इज़ देयर. इट इज़ लेस रिस्की. गवर्नमेंट बॉन्ड्स लेंगे तो बिल्कुल ही रिस्क नहीं है. कॉर्पोरेट बॉन्ड्स भी होते हैं जिनका रिस्क कैटेगराइजेशन होता है. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, यू नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड रिस्क मैनेजमेंट, विच इज थ्रू डाइवर्सिफिकेशन. डाइवर्सिफिकेशन इज नॉट पुटिंग योर एग्स इन वन बास्केट, विच इज अबाउट एक स्टॉक नहीं खरीदना. यू हैव टू बाय बास्केट ऑफ स्टॉक्स विच इज डाइवर्सिफाइड, or within an asset class, different stocks or bonds. This is diversification. It reduces your risk, although it limits the gain as well.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.